So, 1 second, sir.
Okay. बोल नाश्ता बनाओ yesterday we completed created saved view for this one, so 2.4.7. so we need to create here. So detailed demand UX page we need to create here. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So I am asking regarding that mock interview. Did you prepare a mock interview, Saujanya?
Yes, sir, I have prepared. But technical terms, I'm aware of it, but framing the sentences and all exact preparation for technical, I didn't do, sir. For non-technical, like user stories, challenges, use cases, I've prepared. Like formula and all, any technical related to Anaplan, I'm like
No
bit stuck
problem.
somewhere.
No problem. Once you give, later we can think. Okay, na? So you should give again and again. Then only you will get confident. Otherwise, what happens if you don't give? Always you feel like that only. So you will have some fear if you don't give mock interview. That is the reason I asked each and every time to give, try to for 4 to 5 times mock interview. Then only you get confident. So even that is a good thing for you. So while cracking interview also it helps you. Okay, anyway, you can see here.
Okay, sir.
Today, to try to give mock interview to Mr. Hidayat. So contact him and try to give. And
Okay,
you
sir.
have three, four members. Asfan also we have in our group. Asfan, for Asfan you can give, and I will share two, three numbers. Dawood and Parvez numbers. Uh, I think I have sent you now.
For doubt clarification, yes, sir.
Yes, yes, that four guys you can give mock interview. Then only you will get confident.
Sorry, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, you can see here we need to create UX page here. So in this UX page, what happens you can see. So which detailed demand UX page we need to create here. So this is our UX page. This type of UX page we need to create here. So two grids are there. Only two grids are there. Yes, that's it. So you can see. So two grids are there. Whenever we do override, in that situation we should get highlight. So that is the concept here. So detail already we have created yesterday that saved view. So simply you can create this UX page name, detailed demand review. So create new page. So after creating this page, so which card I should take here?
Great card.
Grid card I should take here. So I should configure grid card. So after configuring the grid card, which source I should take? So they will provide here. So first detailed demand planning, so category it is not available in my pages anyway, so it is not related to us. So include following: product, SKU, account, time, contact selectors. Yes, we can include. So but first of all you should take this source, the demand 03 demand forecast module. I should take override grid UX saved view. This is my first chance. So first step I should do this one. So I should select demand 03 saved view. If I want, simply I should click here. So in module views, so simply I should click here demand 03. which uh, which one I should take here? Override or
Override.
grid?
Override.
Override I should take here. So I should update this one. So then after updating this one, title should be adjustment to demand. We should keep this one. So synchronize to grid to P3 SKU, account and time. So each and everything will be available these things in our context selectors. So simply go here, context selectors. Yes, time hierarchy filter should be on. So you can see each and everything should be synchronized. Yes, yes, synchronized with page. Time selector, each and everything is synchronized. So simply you should publish this page to remain safe. Yes, you can see here. So simply we should compare each and every time with this one. So first one is overrided first week. So initial demand forecast override and override forecast final forecast. So you can see initial demand forecast override forecast. So override forecast final forecast. We have done in first week override. So each and everything is we got proper way. So this is we have done first card. So detailed demand in first card we have done. Next we completed first one, then we should complete this one, second one. So if you did override here, it should be reflect here. In final forecast first week it should be reflect. So that one what should we do? So you can see here. For next step we should follow here. So again we should take grid card and source is same and saved view is different one. Detailed demand grid UX saved view we should take here. So again you should edit this page. So you should take again grid card. So after taking grid card you should configure it. Select source. So again module is you should go source what they are giving demand 03 forecast module, but saved view which one I should take this time?
Detail.
Detailed demand grid UX I should take here. So I should update this one. Title should be forecast demand here. So synchronize with P3 SKU account and time. So each and everything you should check in contact selectors. So it is on hierarchy filter we should do on. So you can check each and everything is synchronized with page. Yes, synchronized with page. Yes, each and everything is synchronized with page. So you can publish this one. After publishing you can see here. So if you do here override you can see here. So you are getting highlighting. So that is what yesterday we have done. So they are expecting this one itself, you can see. So if they do override here simply, so they are getting highlight here in week 1 they are getting highlight in final demand forecast. So this is what they are expecting. So whenever we do override that should be get highlight, so that we are changing that value. We are not keeping initial demand forecast, we are changing some value there. So that is the reason. So we are highlighting this one. So is it clear what we are doing, Saujanya, here? What we are doing here?
Yes, sir. initially we are taking the override grid they saved you,
Yes,
in which uh, in which we are populating the override values, if at
yes,
all done. Based on that, if that product, that weight has any override, then it will, in the cascading grid view, it will do conditional formatting. Based on our conditional formatting, it will do local. If at all it gets overridden.
yes, exactly. So that is we are highlighting that one so that everyone can simply they can check. So this is what we are trying here. So anyway, this only one activity we had here. So after creating UX page, so we completed this one activity. Just check box we
Sir, one
have.
doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we do the override from UX page, sir? Can we give the access to end user for overriding? Actually, it is done by account demand manager, but if at all the access can be given to end user.
Yes, we can give in page builder. We have one option. So in if we give in page builder
Account
access, we can.
account image manager is an end user, na? Account image manager is an end user. Yes, he can be able to do the override changes in the UX pages.
Okay. Okay. Right now we have created in which it is not possible, no? The page that you have created right now, sir.
In
In
a
which it is
page,
not possible to edit the
actually
initial
page
demand and final demand.
page builder actually in page builder we have to give access. So in generally we can do in page builder access if they provide, we can do no problem. Okay na. So UX pages each and everything is related to page builder access they will provide. So in that situation we can edit each and everything. Okay na.
Okay, sir.
So you can see here, wait for 1 minute.
Sir, Huda sir, I have one doubt.
So yes, you can see here. So we completed this one, this activity. So you can see after completing this activity, you have next activity, create roles. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
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 Uh,
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we need to create roles here in UX pages and users pane. So if you create this product family manager, so what he should do, only he should responsible for, you can make changes to the volume growth rate module. That's it. We should not give any access to him. So this is our main intention, to create product family manager. And you have another role, you can see account demand manager. So what is the main role for account demand manager? Yes, demand forecasting
Demand
module.
forecast
Demand
for customer
forecast,
account.
yes, demand forecast module, we should give access to him. That's it. So simply we should create one by one role. So in this product family manager, so what happened in workspace, we are a new we are workspace administrator generally. So what happens in this area, so we have access each and everything, but generally end user, how should we manage each and every access? We can't give to end user now. So in that situation, what will you do? For end user, will you provide each and every access, entire access, or will you provide only some access will provide on the basis of his requirement? Yes, this is the user's pane. You can see in this user's pane, you can see here. So user present, what happens? This is actually, so you can see this is a main workspace administrator. So what we are using, these are the extra. Fine. So you can see, if I add any user, if I want to add any user, I should add here. So I should give email address, first name, last name. So role I should provide role. For example, if I give like this, if I want to give workspace administrator, he will get access, entire access. So if I give access like product family manager, account demand manager, so whatever the access I want to give, so I can give this one. If I give, what happens, only he can access related to product family manager, whatever he has access exactly. So but generally what happens here, we should not give anyone to access here as per our community rule. So in real time we can do it, but if you give, what happens, generally uh, uh, they will actually remove our workspace access. We should not do like that. So their guidelines that we should use only our workspace, we should not give to anyone to workspace administrator access, we should not add any user to our workspace. Generally we are using one user credential to two candidates, that is a no problem. But if you give, they generally they get to know. So that's it. So that is the reason, if you provide simply only product family manager access, they will get. So instead of full access, they will get only product family manager. So for product family manager, what we are giving, you can see here, product family manager. So if you open this one, product family manager, you can see here product family manager. So roles, if you check here, so product family manager, how many modules we have, we should give how many module access to product family manager? Yes,
Demand 0102, volume growth.
Yes, we should give only demand 0 1 2 access we should give. So write access they can edit and each and everything they can do. So that's it, we should not give any access to him, only he related to these two modules, that is the reason we should not give. So for account demand manager, which access I should give here?
Demand 03.
Demand 03 we should give, that's it. So he only they are responsible for these module, that's it. So we should not give any access to these guys. So what happens, only they can increase the volume each and everything. Product family manager, they are responsible for each and everything related to volume, how much volume increasing each and everything. And this account demand manager is responsible for final demand forecast, so he will adjust each and everything. So simply he is the responsible. So this is the way we need to create roles, and we should give that access, and we should add user here. So if you give instead of full access to, for example, if I consider like product family manager, if I give role here, so only still we are not getting we are not removing this workspace administrator access. So what happens, generally we can't remove, so that is a problem. So if we give instead of full access product family manager, only we can access that module, only we can access. So product this demand volume growth rate only we access. If you trying to access another module, generally we can't access. Ask your workspace administrator for access. Why it is asking? Why it is asking? For
Because we
example,
have given only for 1 and 2.
if I open this one, nothing will ask. Why? You can see, if I open these two modules also, nothing will happen. Why it is happening?
Read option.
Yes.
We have given no access for only demand 01 and 2.
2, yes, for product family role we are accessing. Like this we should check. Okay na? So if I keep account demand manager, so in that situation which module it will get open? Can I open this one? Demand volume growth rate, can I open here?
Then 03.
Only
Then
demand
03.
03 I can open here. Why? Because I have given access this module only. Is it fine? Yes. So this way we should check
Yes.
either it is working proper way or not. So we should give whatever the related to its responsibility, we should give access to that module. And then, so that we can understand for which candidate how many modules we should give access each and everything, and we should check. So this is the way product family manager and account demand manager as we should check here. So finally you can see, so these are the main activities. So if you can see here, in product family manager I want to keep each and every four product family managers are there. So only he should responsible for edit only one product. So in that situation what should I do? Chocolate, source, toffee, for four product managers are there. So for source chocolates only, chocolates product family manager only he should edit. Remaining three product family managers should only watch. He can read the data, but he can't edit the data. If you want get that situation, what should I do? If you want to control list and list items, products mean list na. So if I want to control list, what should I do?
Correct.
Yes. If I give this access, whatever I have given, product like product family manager, he can entire access four products. If I want to control the each and every individual product family manager to each and every product, so in this what should I do?
Selective access.
I should take consider selective access here. So if I consider selective access, what happens, you can see here. Product family manager, write, read, you can ask each and everything. So each and every individual end user, whenever you are asking, so whenever you are adding new user, chocolate user is there, something email id is getting, so we should give access here only for that user, new user. Chocolates I will give, that's it. Only chocolates he write, and remaining he can't write. Remaining he will read. In read I will give remaining 3. Source toffee, fudge I will give. In read I will give for one end user. For example, this end user. So that he can only write these product chocolates. He will read remaining 3 products. If I ask another product, source product family manager I add. So in that situation what happens? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. You can see here. So he can only access, write only this one product chocolates. He can edit the, he can read the remaining 3 product family product, 3 product family details. If you add another user, source manager, source P1 product family manager, so we will give access to him, source for writing and remaining as a reading, so that he can access the details. Is it clear? For each and every end user, so we can give a different way. So whatever the related to him responsibilities are there, so we should give on the base of that requirements. So this is the way how we need to control the products. So this is the select, by creating the selective access we can control the products, list and list items. And if you want to create any role, so in that role, so simply so many people we can give that access related to that task. So like finance manager, hr manager, each and everything. So whatever the related to his responsibilities are there, that modules we simply give access, roles, versions, list and actions and each and everything. But so if you want to give again list items access, if you want to give inside the list whatever the list items are there, if you want to again you want to control each and every list item, in that situation we can give. If you want to give entire list, you can give access here, roles. If you give access, what happens, entire list g1 region is there, 3 regions data he can control, country detail is there, 13 country details he can access. But if you give again list item access, selective access, if you provide inside these 3 region, if you want to give one region access, you can give. That is the difference. So in roles, and if you give roles, each and every access they can get. But if you control here by selective access, simply we can control them, each and individual user. That is the main advantage by using this selective access. So we should understand the difference between the roles and selective access and dynamic cell access. So this is the way. So I hope each and everyone is clear this one. Fine, we completed this one. So you can see after completing this one, we completed this sprint. So we can start sprint 3. So as soon as possible, I try to complete this all these things. So please, I am expecting from you first of all sprint 1 mock interview questions, each and every one. So then only we can